Good morning, kids. Keep trying till you do it well. Never give up is the attitude that you should always have in life. And today, our story is based on the same value, the cycling champ. It is about two kids, Myra and Anay, and we will see how, with determination, Anay started cycling the bike. So, let's start reading the story. Myra was breathless. She had just been out on a bike, and her hair was messy under the helmet. Did you have a nice time at the park, Myra? Mom asked her, handling a glass of water. Myra gulped it down and nodded. She saw her brother looking at her helmet longingly. Anne, you can join me next time, she told. Not really, said Anne and looked away. Anne was terrified of bicycles ever since he fell off from his bicycle last year and he broke his leg and hurt his head too. The next day, Myra saw Anne looking upset. Hey, she said gently, will you come with me to the park? We can try the bicycle again. So now there are two children, Myra and Anne, both are brothers and sisters. So Myra had a nice bicycle ride and she came home tired. So the mother asked, did you have a nice ride? Did you enjoy in the park? So she said, yes, I enjoyed in the park. And then she saw her younger brother looking at the helmet. So she said, Anne, you can also join me in the bicycle riding. So Anne said, no, I don't want to because I am terrified. मैं डरता हूँ साइकिल चलाने से. Because Anne had a fall since last year and he broke his leg and hurt his head. तो उसको चोट लग गई थी बाइसिकल चलाते चलाते. तो अने डरता था बाइसिकल चलाने से. Now let's see what happens. Anne said nothing but shrugged. It will be fun. If you don't like it, we can sit and have some apples in the sun, smiled Myra. All right, said Anne, but I won't take my bike, he added. It's okay, I'll take mine, she said, putting her arms on her shoulder. Soon they were ready to go. So Anne said, no, that's okay. We can go out, but I don't want to ride a bike. I will not take my bike. So Myra said, don't worry, I'll take my bike and we'll sit in the sun and have apple and look around the park. So both the children were getting ready to go to the park. Myra took a bike and a basket full of fruits and water too. She wore a helmet and the children walked to the park. It was a glorious day with the smiling sun and cool breeze in the air which made the daffodil dance. So it was a very nice day. ठंडी ठंडी हवा चल रही थी. वो ठंडी हवा से जो पार्क में जो फ्लावर्स थे वो हिल रहे थे. After a short walk, the children reached the park. Myra didn't ride a bike on the way. When she reached, she rode around the park while Anne played on the swings. Here, try riding my bike, she said, beaming and getting off her bike. Anne bit her lips and shook her head. So Myra did not ride the bike. They both came walking, and when Anne was going on the swing, Myra rode her bike. So then she came and she said, come, Anne, now you ride my bike. Listen, I know you had a bad fall, but you used to love riding your bike, remember? You used to be out all day. You should never give up on no matter what happens. I was injured too. I could go anywhere for such a long time, he remembered. That's over now, and plus you will be careful now, she said. So Myra said, that's okay. अगर तुम गिर भी गए हो, तो that is the way we learn things. We fall and we get up and we start learning it again. So practice makes us perfect children. So Anne said, you remember when I had a fall, I couldn't go out for so many days. So she's saying that is over now. So be positive and come, let's ride the bike. Anne looked at the bicycle. Give it a go, she encouraged him. Anne went and touched the bicycle. It was exactly like his own, with the merry bell on it and that rang once. Suddenly yelling and sit on the bike, he puts on the helmet and sat it on. Go, cheered Myra. Suddenly Anne stopped and worried about the winding road of the park ahead. So now Myra is saying, go, come on, ride the bike. Don't give up now. You are doing so well, said Myra, getting off the bike. There was nobody on the road, which made Anne feel a little better. Anne pushed the pedal and the bike went ahead a little, but then it wobbled a little. He was out of practice. So Myra said, "Come on, go now, ride the bicycle." So Anne थोड़ा सा Anne की bicycle shake करने लगी because he wasn't in practice of riding the bike. But she said, "It's fine, come on, let's ride." "It is fine," his sister called. "Keep going, never give up," and went ahead, slowly and steadily pedaling the bike and feeling the breeze on his face. It was splendid. Myra saw Anne on the turn. She was very excited. He was back and going faster than he could had before. He had a big smile on his face. "How was it?" she asked, breathless. "It was amazing," said Anne. "Are you going to ride your bike again?" asked Myra. "Yes, every day," Anne beamed. "Well done, brother," she said proudly. "Thanks, Myra. You reminded me not to give up and keep going," he said, giving her a big hug. Yes, so when Myra saw Anne riding a bike faster with a smile on his face and the breeze touching his face, so Myra said, "Are you happy riding the bike?" Anne said, "Yes, I am very happy riding the bike and I will ride my bike daily." So Anne hugged her sister and said, "Thanks so much for reminding me that we should never give up and we should keep on trying no matter whatever comes. We will fail once, we will fail twice, but practice will always make us perfect and give positive result." So children, that was the story about the cycling champ. I know that you all also love riding bicycles. So if you had a fall, don't worry, it is a part of learning. So get up, take out your bicycle and go for a ride and be safe, children. Okay, always wear your helmet when you're riding your bicycle like good children. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, bye bye and take care of yourself.